In this guide, you'll learn how to save Instagram Reel draft to your gallery, including what Instagram actually lets you do with drafts and how to get a video onto your phone without posting it publicly. First, launch your Instagram, navigate to the profile page, then head over to the Reels section. Here, you're going to find the option of draft. Click on that. Now, you're going to find all the videos that you have saved to the draft. Now, select the draft video that you want to save to your gallery. All you have to do is click on this pencil kind of icon. You'll be directed to the editing page. From here, you are able to edit this video. Once you do that, click on this icon given at the top left. Now scroll to the right and you're gonna find this download icon. Click on that. If your reel is using licensed music from Instagram's music library, the music will be removed and you will only get the video with the original sound or no sound at all. Click on save. Now launch your gallery and check. Your video will be available in your gallery. So this way you can easily download draft reel from Instagram on your gallery. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.